Now here, this is a question of if else or if else or if else, whatever it is, or only if. In an examination, the grades are given according to the marks obtained. Write a program in Java to display the grades accordingly. Now marks is the 80% and above. Grades are distinction. 60% or more but less than 80% first division. 45% or more but less than 60% is second division. 40% or more but less than 45% pass, and less than 40% is promotion not granted, means the fail. Now here in this question, first of all, the grades you have to calculate on the basis of marks. That means here you have to give the input will be your marks. So here marks you have to input. Marks generally we give the whole number, whole digit, not fraction value, is 45 or 80, not 45.25 and all. So marks is a whole number, so it will be integer type data. So we will start the program. So it will be keyboard input, and where the marks will be inputted and the grades will be calculated accordingly and displayed. So I will write accordingly. So now the program I have given you last class, where I have how to input the different types of values. So that I have given you. So here you have to use the integer variable, integer type of data. And as it is a input, so keyboard input, so you have to write import java dot io dot star. Now class, so class you can write the marks, class name can be marks, you can give. Now public static void main string args throws io etc. Now buffer reader, after, so this is after class one bracket, after public static one more bracket. Now buffer reader you have to give, because it is the input program. Buffer reader buff equal to new buffer reader new input string reader system.in. So this is this statement you have to use it, that I told you as. Now we have to input the marks. Now system.out dot println enter marks to calculate grades. So that is there. This is just the display only. This will guide you what you have to do. Now int m equal to m is the marks variable holding for the marks. Int m equal to integer dot %d buff dot readline. Okay, so the marks are input. Now we have to go for the calculation. Now I'll grab this portion and proceed. So this is one phase of it. So here import java.io.star, class name, public static void main string args, throws io exception, because of input this came, this is included, and then the buffer reader also included. And now enter the marks to calculate the grade, and then int m equal to integer.parseInt buff.inline. So while you run the program, so it will on the screen it will display enter marks to calculate grade, and it will be waiting so that you will input the marks. And now we will proceed more. Now first the 80% and above is distinction. If m greater than equal to 80% and above, you see the question, 80% and above is distinction. If greater than equal to 80, then system dot out dot println, you can use, this is the distinction. Now either again you can write if, otherwise you can write else if. Else if m, now here next division is 60% or more and less than 80%. So 60% or more, m equal to greater than equal to 60 and m less than 80. This is the second condition. Greater than equal to 60 and less than 80, then it will be system dot out dot println. Now it will be not distinction, now it is the first division. Now again else if m greater than, now next is 45 or more, less than 60%. 45 or more, greater than equal to 45 and m less than 60, then system dot out dot println. Now next is the second division. Second division. Now again next after second division there is a past division, 40% or more but less than 45%. Else if again, else if m 40% or more, less than 45%. 40% or more, so greater than equal to 40 and m less than 45. Now system dot out dot println, second division now pass. Now pass, and then after the less than 40% is the fail, promotion not granted. You see here, now first if, else if. Now you have to go for the else. Now you cannot give any more else if, because this is now we reach last condition. Last condition is less than 40. If it is there, then it is a fail. So we cannot write any more that else if less than equal to what you cannot write. That can possible if you give if means each and every step. If you give if condition, if statement, then the last statement also you have to use that condition. You have to use that the aim less than 40, then system dot out println the fail. But here as I went for the if else, then last is the else and without condition. I can write it here only. So else system dot out dot println fail, promotion not granted. And now after that two bracket will be closed. So that is the end of the program. And I have given you many program, at least whatever 3-4 programs on if, else if. Now next class will give you some other things like the for loop. Will go to the for loop.